Hey everybody, it's Simon from Lake Hub, and it is a beautiful day out on J Percy Priest Lake in Nashville, Tennessee. This lake is about half inside the city limits of Nashville, and there's a lot going on. This is a kind of a pleasure cruise type of lake. It's got fishing, it's got camping and other kind of stuff like that, but this is really a go out and have fun type of lake. So it's about 14,000 acres and is surrounded by about 18,000 acres of open land. A lot of that is wildlife management area. And so there's some awesome natural beauty within the city limits to be able to see here out on the lake. Elevation at full pool is about 490 feet here in Nashville. Percy Priest is fed by the Stones River, which is a tributary of the Cumberland River, which goes through downtown Nashville. This lake was built in the 1960s by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and it was originally called Stewart's Ferry. The name was changed to Percy Priest after the U.S. representative from Tennessee. Like I said, there is camping here. There are 3 campgrounds, hookups and not. There's 11 day use areas. That's pretty popular. We've been driving around checking them out, especially on a beautiful sunset like you see here. This lake is home to several boat clubs: Tennessee Boat Club, Vanderbilt Sailing Club, and the Nashville Rowing Club. As far as boating goes, I mean, there are plenty of marinas. There's about a half dozen marinas. As you can see here, we've got restaurant, live music, and all that kind of stuff. There's boat ramps, plenty of slips. There's boat rentals here. There's about a dozen or so maintained boat ramps all around the lake, and there's a lot to see and do from a boat. Fishing is decent: smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, stripers, white bass and hybrids, all pretty good here on this lake. So if you're in Nashville, you want to check it out, come on down to J Percy Priest Lake. I'm Simon from Lake Hub, and we'll catch you next time.